So I have some unsalted butter that is sizzling in this pot with this favorite pan of mine. I finally dropped the egg up in there. I took some of that yolk out of there though. But I dropped a little pepper on here. I normally drop a little basil or some, you know what I mean, with some garlic. But at that moment, I did not want any. And there it go. It's cooking. That's how you fry the egg. You can use any kind of oil that you like. But I prefer either some salt-free butter or some olive oil to fry me an egg. But any kind of oil don't make it. It's gonna make it happen. That's what I like. Sprinkle some more pepper on there. I thought I turned it. Yes. How do you guys fry your eggs? Do you even eat eggs? Eat fried eggs? Well, I grew up on fried eggs. We used to love eating fried eggs. Mom always was make fried eggs and bacon. I don't eat eggs all the time, but I like them sometimes. Yes. I've eaten them so much when I was pregnant with my daughter. It was like, I didn't want any eggs for like some years, but I eat them now. You know, that's a long time ago. Frying it, and I like mine real done. And some of you guys might like yours, you know, easy. But I don't. I like all my food well done. So if you want feed me, make sure that my food is well done and seasoned to perfection, or else I'm not going to like it. I might just tell you, thank you, but no thank you. Might as well just give it to somebody else. I'm grateful, but I don't want it. Yes. Everybody got their own opinions. Some of y'all might not even like y'all well done. Y'all be like, it's too cooked. It's overly cooked. Yeah. But me, I love all my food well done. Yes, all appetite. Ain't that how you say it? Yummy. Yummy for my tummy. Absolutely, y'all can hear it. So I'll flip it again. Yes, again and again and again. I want it a little brown over there. You know, a little brown. Yes, most definitely. And I'm showing you that, you know, it wasn't even sticky. You know, some of y'all might prefer not to even put any oil in it. Might have those other kind of pans. But yes, here is my fried egg, and I have some salmon croquettes that King&QueenKarate had made, which I did not get a chance to video, but there they go. That is a simple meal. Yes, Southern style. That's what I prefer it as. And yes, me, I'm gonna put some hot sauce on my food. I like it on my salmon croquettes and on my eggs. Absolutely. Enjoy. Thanks a lot for watching, sharing, liking, subscribing. Peace, peace, blessings.